Hi guys, welcome to the workshop. Thank you for keeping posted on this project. In this episode I'm going to show you what is left of the E36, all the parts that I've removed from the car, as explained on previous videos, on the intro, on the Angry Rooster presentation. I've removed all the subframe, brakes, suspensions, rear subframe, rear brakes, sway bars, engine, gearbox, drive shaft. I removed almost everything except from the interior. I'm keeping nothing from it, from the E36. I've also kept, of course, the wires, the calculator, the ECU of the engine, also a small box for the key lock system. I kept it because it has a value on the market, as I have a new ECU, programmable ECU for the engine. I will normally not need this, so I keep it for the market and for a possible resale. So I show you now what the E36 is looking like, and you will also we'll also say goodbye to the car, because a truck came and loaded it, because I wanted to get rid of it before end of the year. This video that you are going to see has been recorded in December 2020. So I have plenty of other videos to show you. I'm a little bit late on the edition of the videos. Well, anyway, with no further ado, let's make place to the content you came for. I hope you enjoy, and if you have any comment, leave them on the description. If you like, please leave a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It's much appreciated, and share to your friends, or to people that you know they will like this kind of content. Maybe these videos that I'm making are helping you in your project, or you are thinking of making a swap on your E30. So if you have any question, and this is something I can answer easily because I've been through this already, it will be my pleasure to share with you and share my experience. So enjoy the content, and you will see the project goes pretty smoothly now. Things go pretty fast. I'm pretty happy with it, and hopefully we can start the engine pretty soon. Starting to rain pretty heavily. I don't know if you hear it, but anyway, thanks for watching.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.